Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by stabilizing the phone. Charge it above half and connect to the internet so recovery services will work. First, try biometrics or a remembered PIN. If that fails, do a soft restart by holding power for about 10 seconds to clear transient locks. Once done, identify the account tied to the device. Google for Android, Apple ID for iPhone, because account-based recovery is the safest next step and avoids unnecessary resets. If account recovery options appear, use Find My Device or iCloud to locate, unlock, or remotely erase the device. This preserves your account linkage. If that's not possible, boot into recovery mode, usually a volume plus power combination, and perform a factory reset. You do this because it removes the lock but also wipes data. Once you reset, use PC utilities like ADB for Android or iTunes for iPhone only if guided, since they require device authorization. After the reset, restore your backup from the cloud or a local copy to recover apps and data. You do this right away so settings and accounts return intact. Then reconfigure security. Set a strong PIN, enable biometrics, and turn on two-factor authentication for the linked account to prevent future lockouts. If you hit an activation or ownership lock that won't clear, contact your carrier or the manufacturer with proof of purchase as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.